Hey everyone, are you getting the couldn't send a message error on Messenger while trying to chat with someone? This issue often happens due to a weak network, server problems, or an outdated app. But don't worry, in this video I'll show you a few simple ways to fix it. Let's get started. Before you begin, make sure your internet connection is stable. Try this quick method. Turn on airplane mode, wait for 10 seconds, then turn it off again to reset your network. Also try restarting your phone. Many times that alone solves the issue. Solution 1. Clear Messenger cache. Open your phone settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps or App Management. Find and tap Messenger. Tap Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache. Go back and reopen Messenger. Solution 2. Update the Messenger app. Open the Google Play Store. Search for Messenger. If an update is available, tap Update. New updates often fix bugs and errors that stop messages from sending. Solution 3. Log out and log back in. Open the Facebook or Messenger app. Go to Settings. Tap Log Out. Then log back in with your account. Try sending a message again. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you should be able to fix the couldn't send the message issue on Messenger. If this video helped you, be sure to like it and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more quick tech fixes like this. Let me know in the comments which method worked for you. If you're still facing issues, drop your question here and I'll try to help you out personally. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.